now I am aware because you informed me.
Yes po. Aware po ako na may free HIV testing po. Pero ngayon ko lang po din po nalaman na yung location po doon.
Opo ma'am, nabigyan po ng flyers.
Actually, nagulat lang din ako na biglang may mga booths, tas HIV pala siya. So, I wasn't aware until nung nakita ko lang siya sa harapan ko.
HIV po, ito po ay human immunodeficiency virus. Bali, isa po tong virus kung saan ina-atake niya po yung immune system natin o ang resistensya. So, a person infected with it, unti-unting pong nasisira or humihina ang kapasidad ng resistensya.
Actually, we've been doing this matagal na rin po. This is part and parcel of our activities in Project Namnama. Project Namnama stands for nurturing awareness, mobilizing networks, and advocating to mitigate the impacts of AIDS in the Cordillera. This is one of our strategies to really pasukin pa natin yung mga young key population natin, which is primarily nakikita po natin sa schools.
Bali, ang goal talaga nito is parang strengthen palalo yung mga existing responses, bridging the gaps of the HIV response here in the Cordillera. Namnama means hope in Ilocano. So through this project, gusto talaga namin mag-shed ng light, mag-provide ng resources, make the testing and the treatment more accessible to those who want it and especially to those who need it.
Because the trend now of HIV cases is medyo pabata na po ng pabata. Actually, about 60 to 70% or at least 80% of our cases are from the age group 15 to 34 years old. So, pabata na po ng pabata ang ating kaso ngayon in terms of HIV cases. Kaya ngayon, we are re-strategizing, calibrating our strategies to really target those who are really vulnerable. And isa po dito ang ating young key populations. That's why we're going to schools to provide services para rin po mahanap rin po natin yung mga nawawalang HIV positives or reactives.
May mga tatlo tayong pillars actually sa Project Namnama, which is yung healthy schools, healthy communities, as well as healthy workplaces.
Na-encourage ako na mag-take ng HIV. Of course, we know naman na increasing yung rate ng HIV positive here sa Philippines. And our government is doing its efforts to help the citizen para malaman kung may mga nagpa-positive or negative and doing its efforts to help pave yung increasing rates na yun. And good thing nga ang Philippine government is may free sila na HIV testing. So why not take advantage of it, right? Na libre na nga, bakit ka pa mag-hesitate to take an HIV? Sa mga takot naman na mag-take ng HIV test, I hope na you consider. Kasi don't be afraid. It's free. It's for your own good, your family, and of your loved ones.
Since it's a project of the government saw that there is an issue already of the spread of the HIV. That's why they are making this project. And the mere fact that SLU allowed it to be, it means that SLU, the administration, has contemplated on it, the need for it. SLU is cooperating with the DOH on the prevention. And I'm sure that is the main purpose of DOH, that students know if they are carriers of this virus so that they won't spread it.
Okay naman po, kasi kung curious naman po yung isang estudyante, pwede naman po silang pumunta doon. Tapos,
para sa akin, mas sa aking magulang, okay lang naman yun. Kasi para malaman din kung positive or negative yung kanilang kalusugan para sa kanila. Kasi kumisan sa atin mga magulang, halimbawa, hindi rin natin alam kung meron tayo na ganong sakit. Kaya para sa akin, okay lang yun na matest sila. Para at least, mas maganda naman na magpatest sila at least kapag naagapan, mas makakabuti para sa kanila kesa yung malala na saka pa papatest, ganun. Para sa akin, ng isang magulang.
Siguro po ma'am, ayos po para sa para
para po yung mga nangangailangan, pwede sila magpa-test. Tapos para maging aware din sila kung may sakit sila o wala.
Okay naman siya for, I think, health benefits na rin. Pero, considered na hindi siya masyadong pinapag-usapan, baka baka mag-hesitate yung ibang students kung sakaling mag-a-avail ba sila or not. Kasi paano kung nakakahiya or may discrimination about it.
Although meron pa ring stigma and discrimination, or stigma in terms of getting tested, at least ngayon, people are much more open to getting tested. Before, parang kalakip ng testing ay maraming diskriminasyon, maraming stigma, prejudice perhaps. But now we can see na people are much more aware, much more open to getting tested. It's primarily because people now are more educated. And this is because pinupush po talaga namin ng awareness building sa ating mga institutions, specifically to academic institutions, to workplaces, and to the communities. Kaya rin po, mas open na rin yung mga tao. It's because we're trying to equip them with knowledge and also empower them to have informed decisions na take ownership of your health, and part of which is getting tested. It's, sabi nga namin, it's a form of self-love. When you know your status, you're also loving yourself kasi at least alam mo yung status mo eh. And also, kung may partner ka man, you're also protecting your partner. Since you know both your status, ibig ko sabihin you can become more empowered. To those people na takot pa rin magpa-HIV testing, meron pa rin po tayong, we are open. HIV testing is fast, free, and confidential. Actually nga, you can get your results as fast as 15 minutes. So wala po tayong pangangambahin in terms of tagal nito. Second, it's confidential. Wala pong makakaalam ng inyong HIV status because protektado po tayo ng batas ng RA 11166. And finally, it's free. Ayon po sa batas na yon, libre po dapat ang pamimigay or pag-o-offer ng HIV screening at iba pa pong HIV services dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya wala po tayo pangangambahin kung financial confidentiality yung ating issue because ang HIV screening and testing po natin ngayon is fast, free, and confidential po.
Ang masasabi ko lang ay valid yung takot, valid yung kaba, pero gusto lang namin paalam sa inyo lahat na nandito kami, mga healthcare workers, mga kasama ninyo sa journey na ito to discover your status. Let's unti-untiin natin i-break yung stigma. Yes, it's cliche, paulit-ulit ng marinig, pero it's time to destigmatize, to normalize HIV testing. Let's make it routine. Let's make your health a priority and let HIV testing be one of it.